Like all manufacturers, are you demanding that your machine builders give you systems which use less energy? I'd like to tell you about a situation where we save one of our customers over £75,000 a year off their electricity bill. My role is to assist our customers in saving on expensive compressed air usage. I have over 40 years experience in the pneumatic automation industry. Recently, a well-known global food manufacturer asked us to walk their production lines and identify opportunities to save on expensive compressed air usage. We were able to carry out our air assessment and identified and measured savings to the value of £75,000 a year. For this valuable service, there was no charge for the customer. All that we asked is that they specify SMC on all new machinery being installed at the site. With this agreement in place, we then carried out the assessment. These assessments are available to any manufacturing industry or OEM machine builder. We can save you money on any process involving compressed air. Interested in similar savings? Contact me directly.